Jai Hind students, welcome to science class. We were discussing about heat and temperature, and last time we discussed about the Kelvin scale, Celsius scale and the Fahrenheit scale. Today we will do the questions which are based on Kelvin scale, Celsius scale and the Fahrenheit scale. We will do the question how we can convert temperature in Fahrenheit to the temperature in Celsius, and how we can convert temperature in Kelvin to the Celsius, and many more. So let us start doing. First question is, convert minus 40 degrees Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. This I have to do. Now, how can I do this? All of you know, there is a formula that Fahrenheit. Now, can you tell me how we can convert Fahrenheit into the Celsius? Very simple. Only a single formula is there. Yes, how we can convert? Answer is simple. I told you this C over 100 F minus 32 by 180. Now, what is the formula by which I can convert Celsius into Fahrenheit? That is, I can calculate the temperature in Fahrenheit if I am given the temperature in degree Celsius. So the formula is F equals to 9 by 5 C plus 32. So what is here C? It is clearly that C here is minus 40 plus 32. If you will solve this, it is on the table of 8. So it is 56. 9 8 is 72. Minus 72 plus 32. Answer is minus 40. So what can I say? I can say that minus 40 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. This fact I have also told you. First of all, very simple. What I have to do? First of all, write the formula. Now here I am given Celsius, so put the value of Celsius here and do the calculation. You will get the answer. So let us do one more question so that you can understand more. Second question is, convert question 2, convert 100 degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. How can I convert 100 degrees Celsius into the degree Fahrenheit? Let us do this. How we can convert this? Rule is very simple. What is temperature in Celsius is given 100 degrees Celsius, and I have to find temperature in Fahrenheit. That I have to find it out. What is the formula? F equals to 9 by 5 multiplied by C plus 32. Can you tell me what is C here? C is 100. So let us say 9 by 5 multiplied by 100 plus 32. It is going on the table of 20. 25 is 100. So it will be 180 plus 32. So how much is this? 212. So what can I say? I can say my answer is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. So Let's do one more question. Right? So simple. You can pause the video and then you can do the calculation. Now my next question is, okay, I'm rubbing. Convert convert 45 degrees Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. How can I convert 45 degrees Celsius into degree Fahrenheit? So what is here given? Temperature in Celsius. This is 45 degrees Celsius. What I have to calculate? Temperature in Fahrenheit I have to calculate. What is the formula? Again, F equals to 9 by 5 multiplied by C plus 32. This formula we have done in the last lecture. So 9 by 5 multiplied by 45 plus 32. Here 9, it is on the 9. 9 9s are 81 plus 32. Answer is 113. So I can say my answer is 113 degree Fahrenheit. So this was question number 3. Okay. Now let's do conversion of Fahrenheit into Celsius. Let's convert Fahrenheit into Celsius. Question number 4. Convert minus 40 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. How can I convert? So let's use the formula. Formula is F. Formula is C equals to 5 by 9 multiplied by FC is equal to 5 by 9 multiplied by bracket start F minus 32. So let's do this. So how much will be this? 5 by 9 multiplied by F is minus 40 and this is minus 32. So I can write 5 by 9 multiplied by minus 72. So definitely it is going in the table of A. So minus 8. So answer is minus 40. So what is the answer? Minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Celsius. Minus 40 degree Celsius is the answer. Now let us do one more question. My question is, fifth question, convert 0 degree Fahrenheit into degrees Celsius. So how can I convert? What is temperature in Fahrenheit given? 0 degrees Celsius. And Celsius I have to find out. What is the formula? Formula is C equals to 5 by 9 multiplied by F minus 32. What do you do? Put F is 0 minus 32. So this can be written as 5 by 9 multiplied by minus 32. So when you will multiply it, it is minus 160 by 9. If you divide, how much will come? 9 ones are 9, 70 is there. So 9 6 are 54, 9 7s are 63. Again 7 is there, 9 7s are 63 with negative sign. So 17.77 degrees Celsius. So I can say my answer is minus 17.77 degree Celsius. So let us do more questions. 6th question. Convert 212 degree Fahrenheit into degrees Celsius. How can I do the conversions? First of all, how much is temperature in Fahrenheit is given? It is given 212. Now put in this formula. C equals to 5 by 9 multiplied by 212 minus 32. So here 5 by 9, if you solve this, 180 and it's going 20, so it is 100. So what is the answer? Answer is C is 100, that is 100 degrees Celsius is the answer. Right? Now let's do one more question. So one more question. What is that question? Convert 32 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius. So here F is 32. So put it here, 5 by 9 multiplied by, in place of F write 32, 32 minus 32. How much? 10? No, it's 0. So 5 by 9 multiplied by 0, answer is 0. So what can I say? Answer is 0 degree Celsius. So 0 degree Celsius means 32 degree Fahrenheit. Now let's take it out, do one more question. That will be very interesting and very useful for you. Let us move to the question number 8. This was 7. Now move to the question number 8. Convert some difficult question I am going to give you right now. Okay. So what is the question? Convert 98.6 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius. Should we do 98.6? Do you know what is this? And I have to calculate the temperature in Celsius. Let's do. C is 5 by 9 multiplied by, in place of F I will write 98.6 minus 32. So 5 by 9 multiplied by, can you do the subtraction? It is difficult. No problem. I will do 98.632. So here 6, 6, 6. It's triple 6. Very good. So it appears that if somebody has hit 3 sixes on 3 successive boards, so can it go on the table of 9? Yes or no? Yes, because if you add 3 digits, it will be 18, and 18 comes in the table of 9. So how much is this? 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are 63, and 9 fours are 36. 7.4. Can you multiply 7.4 with 5? 5 20, 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35 plus 2, 37. Right? So this is 37. So what does it mean? It means answer is 37 degrees Celsius. What is 37 degrees Celsius? This is our body's temperature. If you take a thermometer and you will measure, what your answer will come? 98.6. So you can say 37 degrees Celsius is equal to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Right? Let us do question other conversions. How to convert Celsius into Kelvin. Question number 9. Question number 9. Convert 0 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. Remember, degree does not come before Kelvin, whereas degree is always followed by Celsius and Fahrenheit. So formula is K. Before formula, temperature in Celsius is 0 degrees Celsius, and temperature in Kelvin I have to find it out. And formula is K is equal to Celsius plus 273, 0 plus 273, answer is 273. So what my answer is? 273 Kelvin. Right? Okay, another question that I am giving you, convert, let us say 10th question, convert 27 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. Because 27 degrees Celsius is room temperature, so I am giving. So what is C here? C is here 27. So let us say C is 27 degrees Celsius. So formula is K is equal to temperature in Celsius plus 273, and this is 27 plus 273. When you add it, it will be 300. So answer is 300 Kelvin. Right? Next is convert 45 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. Same, K is 270 C plus 273. What is temperature in Celsius? 45 degrees Celsius, and temperature in Kelvin, that I have to find it out. So K is, C is 45 plus 273, How much this is? 813. So answer is 318 Kelvin. Now my question is, no, let's move to the next conversion. 12th one. 12th question is, convert 353 Kelvin into degrees Celsius. How you will do the conversion? So here temperature in Kelvin is 273 Kelvin. Temperature in Celsius I have to find it out. Formula is C equals to K minus 273. So what is K? K is here 353 minus 273. When you subtract 3 minus 3 0, take a carry 1, 50 minus 7 8. So this is 80 degrees Celsius. So my answer is 80 degrees Celsius. If I ask, convert 373 Kelvin into degrees Celsius. How you can convert? Very simple. Here temperature in Kelvin, it is 273 Kelvin, and temperature in degrees Celsius I have to find it out. What is formula? C equals to K minus 273. 273 minus 273. So C is 0. But I have to calculate 373. No problem. Put it here. 373. 373. So what the answer will be? 100. So I can say that 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 373 Kelvin. What is 100 degrees Celsius? 100 degree Celsius is the boiling point of the water. Okay, let's do the last conversion. Okay, second last. Convert. Typical question, tough question I am asking. I think you are very intelligent. Convert. I am asking you 98.6 degree Fahrenheit into Kelvin. How you will do the conversion? First we will convert Fahrenheit into Celsius. So let us say Fahrenheit is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. First I will find Celsius and then I will find the Kelvin. So what is the formula? Do you remember? Yes. This is C over S. How can you remember? So this I told you. What is the formula? Formula of conversion is C equals to 5 by 9 multiplied by F minus 32. What is F here? 98.6 minus 32. And what is this? 98.6. If you do as we have done before, 66.6. And where it will go? It will go on 7.4. And when you multiply, how much it will come? 37. So how can I convert? Kelvin is C plus 273. I think all of you have done. 37 plus 273. So answer is and 1 310 Kelvin. Okay, let's do one more question. That I will give a simple question. Convert 15 is convert 32 degree Fahrenheit into Kelvin. How you can do? F is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Kelvin I have to find it out. For that I have to convert it into Celsius. Formula you know, C is 5 by 9 multiplied by F minus 32. First I will convert Fahrenheit into Celsius and then Celsius into Kelvin. Right? So how much it will become? C equals to 5 by 9 multiplied by F is 32 minus 32, it's 0. Answer is 0. So what is temperature in Kelvin? C plus 273. So 0 plus 273, answer is 273. So answer is 273 Kelvin. There is one more method by which you can convert Fahrenheit into Kelvin. And what is that method? That method is Kelvin is equal to K is equal to formula 5 by 9 multiplied by F minus 32 plus 273. This is up to you. Whatever you use, you can use that formula. You can either first convert it to Celsius into Kelvin, or you can directly use this formula. So let's take F is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Kelvin I have to calculate. So K is 5 by 9 multiplied 32 minus 32 plus 273. So what this is? 0 plus 273. So answer is 273 Kelvin. Okay, let's do one more question. If I want to convert Kelvin into degrees Celsius, what I will have to do? This is the last question that I assure you. Convert Kelvin into degree Fahrenheit. How much Kelvin? Let us say 273 Kelvin. There are two ways. First of all, here 273 Kelvin. First you can do convert it into the degree Celsius and then convert it into the Fahrenheit. Just like I am doing. C is, what is the formula that you have done? 9 by 5 C plus 32. Oh sorry, Kelvin is given na. C is K minus 273 and it is 273 minus 273 is 0. So what is F? F is 9 by 5 C plus 32. C is 0, so no need to multiply. Just put 0 in place of this, 0 plus 32. So answer is 32. So this is also 32 degree Fahrenheit. Or you can do this sum directly also. Let me devise that formula. How you can convert. This is up to you, whatever you want to use. The formula is F equals to 9 by 5 K minus 2 273 plus 32, right? So what do you do? Now 273 Kelvin into degree Fahrenheit. So here F is 9 by 5. 273 minus 273 plus 32. So 9 by 5. 0 plus 32, answer is 32. So both the answers are same. This is up to you, whatever formula you have to use. So students, these were conversion of various temperature in one unit into the say other unit. So you can do a lot of practices, right? So do this. Thank you and have a nice day.